Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I post content every week on fashion, lifestyle, travel. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with Merit Beauty. I'm so excited. I have a huge haul to unbox here with you guys. If you haven't heard of Merit Beauty, where have you been? I have been using their makeup, their skincare, and products for a few years now. You can purchase their products directly through their website or at Sephora. They are a clean beauty brand. They're also a vegan and cruelty-free, so I just love everything that they stand for. Their products, their makeup, skincare is just so chic and classic and minimal, and I think that's just why I love their products so much. I'm going to start off with their skincare. So this is their Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. It has 2% niacinamide, 4 types of hyaluronic acid and caffeine, Japanese gold thread root, and it is pH balanced. This is what the serum looks like. I typically will apply this at night and in the morning under my moisturizer. This definitely has helped with the texture and color and tone of my skin. It just looks a lot more firm, a lot more alive and brighter. I love this serum. I haven't used it in a little bit. I did use it last year. I love this serum. It is like a holy grail. I feel like you can use this just by itself. You really don't need to use a lot of other products. I definitely am a believer of less is more, so I try not to put a lot of serums and oils on my face. This I feel like already has all of the key ingredients that you'll need to be putting on your skin morning and night. Which leads to the next product, which is their Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. I'm actually so excited for this because I've never used their moisturizer. Love the packaging on this. I just feel like all of their products look very luxurious. I'm not going to lie, I am a sucker for packaging. I feel like a brand can sell me on their packaging alone, but thankfully with Merit, it's not just the packaging that's amazing. Their products are great, so I'm excited to try this on top of the Great Skin Serum. Transitioning into makeup now, I'm going to share with you their Beverly Hills Blush Balm. I use this blush 24/7. I always hit the pan on their blushes, and I'm always so incredibly grateful when I get to work with Merit and they send me another blush, because I use this all the time when I'm going out, working from home. If like I don't want to put any makeup on, but I just kind of want a little bit of blush, that's usually what I'll do. So this is in the shade Beverly Hills. So again, I love that it's not too pink, not too dark. It's like that perfect in between color that I think will look beautiful on all skin tones. So let me just show you kind of what that looks like. I do have a very olive skin tone, so as you can tell, it's like this perfect pink color. Up next, I have the Clean Lash, their black mascara. Love their black mascara. I've used it before and it just does a wonderful job at lengthening your lashes, making them look very full and voluminous without looking really clumpy and heavy. Again, their makeup is very minimal, classy, chic, and I feel like this mascara does the perfect job at just making your eyelashes look naturally long versus like you're having cakey makeup on. I'm really excited to share this next product because I feel like it's a Merit staple. I feel like every girl that gets into Merit at some point tries their Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick, and so you can really use this for so many different things. I originally started using this as like a concealer just to cover up my imperfections whenever I didn't want to wear foundation or heavier makeup. However, this time around I decided to get a darker shade. Let me show you what this looks like. So this is definitely darker than my usual skin tone, but I wanted to get 2 shades darker, that way I could try using it for contouring. So I haven't used this yet, but as you can see, it's a little bit darker than my natural skin tone. So I am excited to try this on and blend it and try it with my contouring. I love how natural it looks, and even next to into the blush. I'm like, those are just such pretty colors, and I love that it's not cakey. It wears throughout the day and it just feels good on the skin, nice and light. Next, I have some lipsticks. I love Merit lipsticks. I've gifted them to other ladies in my life, and I just think they're so chic and they just wear really well on your lips. So this one is their signature lip, and this is in the color Cabo. I've never tried this shade before, but once again, they just crush it at the packaging. I love how luxurious this feels. It just feels really expensive and pretty, and it feels that way on too. So I've never tried this shade, but I purposely picked this color because I was looking for something a little more corally. So let me do like a swab here. Oh yes, that is perfect. I've experimented a lot with lipsticks, and I feel like with my skin tone, I'm definitely a light olive skin tone, and I look best in like light pinks, corals. I feel like I don't do too well with darker colors, so I love that this is corally. I think it would look pretty just by itself, or if I decided to like layer it with another lip gloss or lip liner, I think it would look really pretty as well. I did want to share a lipstick I have been using. That is not an unboxing, and it's their ginger lipstick. I was actually really blown away by this color. So again, the color is ginger, and when you lift the lipstick up, as you can see, I've been wearing it, it definitely looks like a darker brown color, but when you apply it on your skin, at least for me, it's like this really pretty peachy color, and I wear this lipstick all the time. I'm going to be really sad when it runs out. I'm just going to have to get another one, but it's just like this really pretty kind of peachy soft color, and again, that's the color ginger. So this is ginger and this is Cabo. So it really just depends on your preference and your skin tone, what you feel like looks good on you, but honestly, I feel like you really can't go wrong with these Merit shades. I feel like all of them look so pretty, which leads me to another signature lip color. This one is their color Baby. What a cute name. And this one is definitely a lighter, more nude color, if you can tell. Let me swab on this hand because my other one's starting to get full. So pretty. I'm obsessed with these colors. Make sure you can see that there. These are such great gifts for the girl in your life that loves a little bit of luxury, classy, chic. Lastly, I have two more things to unbox. This one is going to be their blending brush, which I have yet to use, but I have high confidence in it, so I'll probably use this in combination with their complexion stick, again probably just to blend in the contour. The fibers on this brush are just so soft, gentle on the skin. I feel like you definitely don't want to be using brushes that are super harsh on your skin. Your skin is sensitive, so I love how gentle and soft their brush is. Last but not least is a product I'm so excited for because I have been seeing it all over Pinterest, on my TikTok, Instagram, and I was just completely sold on how beautiful the packaging of this bottle is. It's their new perfume, Retrospect, and I was so sold on the notes. I knew I would love it. So the top scent is bergamot, pear, and Brett. The heart is jasmine, rose, rosemary, violet, orris, and the bottom is vanilla, musk, and moss. Take a moment for this packaging. I'm going to be careful so it doesn't like fall out face forward. But you guys, literally what I was trying to do so hard to not happen just happened. I like this. I saved the bottle. My camera has a little damage, but we're okay. Back to the perfume. Look at how stunning this is. I definitely opened this already and tried it on, and I genuinely wish I could like transport the smell through the camera, but it has a very floral with a slightly sweet scent to it. Oh, it smells so good. I just like don't even want to spray it right now because I want to preserve it for a time when I'm actually going out and I'll be around people. And I feel like this is perfect to like carry around with you for travel. Sometimes perfume bottles are really chunky. I love how smooth and slim this one is. It feels like a little like rock you picked up out of the ocean. I don't know, it's a weird comparison, but anyway, that is it for my unboxing, my haul. I've made a mess. I would love to do like an actual makeup and skincare routine, so definitely give me a subscribe. That way when that goes up you can check it out and I can share with you how all of the products are holding up. But again, I'll link everything down in the description below. Use my links, and until next time, I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye.